Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. You should check storage and plug the Mac into power. Updates can stall if power is lost. Once done, start an immediate time machine backup or create a bootable clone so you can recover if needed. Make sure Sonoma has its latest minor updates installed before proceeding. This reduces incompatibilities. Then open System Settings, click General, and choose Software Update to begin downloading Mac OS Sequoia. Now you handle the complex middle steps of installation. You initiate the Sequoia installer and let it run. Do not interrupt the download or start other heavy tasks. You should monitor for compatibility warnings and update or remove apps that use kernel extensions or unsigned drivers. If prompted, follow on-screen security prompts to allow system extensions in security and privacy. Once the installer prepares files, your Mac will restart multiple times. Stay patient and let the process finish by completing the post-install setup and validating the system. You will sign into your Apple ID, review privacy choices, and confirm location and network settings. These steps ensure continuity. Make sure critical apps and drivers launch, and check your Time Machine snapshot or clone for integrity. If anything goes wrong, don't panic. Restart into recovery, use Disk Utility First Aid, and restore from your backup if needed. This quick recovery path is why you backed up beforehand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.